Daniel's trip to a new city. Daniel wakes up early because today is a special day. He packs a small backpack, checks his train ticket, and leaves his apartment with excitement. The weather is cool and sunny, so he feels happy as he walks to the train station. After buying a cup of coffee, he waits on the platform and watches the trains arrive and leave. When the train arrives, Daniel finds his seat next to the window. As the train moves, he enjoys the beautiful views of mountains, rivers, and small villages. He listens to music, reads a travel magazine, and sometimes looks outside. The journey is peaceful, and time passes quickly. After arriving in the new city, Daniel takes a short walk through the busy streets. He visits famous landmarks, takes many photos, and enjoys the colorful buildings. Local people smile at him, and he asks for directions when he needs help. He loves discovering places he has never seen before. Around lunchtime, Daniel finds a small local restaurant. He orders a traditional meal and a fresh drink. The food is delicious, and the waiter recommends a famous dessert. Daniel enjoys every bite and learns a few new English words from the menu. In the afternoon, he visits a museum and then relaxes in a beautiful park. He watches children playing, listens to birds singing, and sits under a large tree. Before leaving, he buys a few souvenirs for his family and friends. As the sun begins to set, Daniel returns to the train station. He feels tired, but very happy because he had an amazing day. On the train ride home, he looks at his photos and remembers his favorite moments. He arrives home safely, unpacks his bag, and goes to bed with a smile, already dreaming about his next adventure.